Hello students, let us solve question 27 from chapter 43 H.C. Verma. A beam of light or having wavelength distributed uniformly between 450 nanometer to 550 nanometer passes through a sample of hydrogen gas. Which wavelength will have the least intensity in the transmitted beam? So for this question, the one with the least intensity will be the one which is absorbed the most. Okay, so which wavelength will be most absorbed? So the wavelength's energy should be matching to the energy between one of the transition orbits. Okay, so here we are having 450 nanometer to 550 nanometer. Now this corresponds to the Balmer series, that is a visible region. Okay, and Balmer series means your n is equal to 2. Okay, meaning the if we are going to assume it's an emission spectra, we would assume that the electron would jump to second orbit, but since it's an absorption spectra, we will say that it is going from 2 to some other orbit. Okay, now it can go from 2 to 3, 2 to 4, 2 to 5, or 2 to infinity, anything. Okay, so if it is going to go from 2 to infinity, now we know the Balmer series range. Okay, if it is going from 2 to infinity, then the corresponding wavelength would be 365 nanometer. That is the lowest wavelength and highest energy. Okay, and if it is going from n equal to 2 to, let us say, means this wavelength will be absorbed the most. That's what I mean. And to n is equal to 3, what will happen? 656 nanometer is going to get absorbed. But here we want to find out the wavelength which will be absorbed between 450 to 550 nanometer. So for this we need to calculate what will be the orbit. Okay, what will be the corresponding wavelength? So it's a trial and error. So roughly what I can do is I can try the next one, n equal to 2 to n equal to 4. Okay, so this electron is jumping, so we will find out what is the wavelength, and we'll see whether this wavelength is coming in the range of 450 to 550 nanometer. Okay, so let us do this. So 1 by lambda is equal to r into 1 by 2 square, okay, minus 1 by 4 square. Okay, so this here r has the value 1.097 into 10 to the power of plus 7 meter inverse. Okay, meter inverse. So we will substitute this in the formula. So what will we get? Lambda is equal to, okay, 1 by r multiplied by, so this is 16 and this is 4. So when you take the LCM, you're going to get 16. Okay, so in the numerator you will have 4 minus 1, which is equal to 3. And taking the reciprocal of that, you will be getting 16 by 3. Okay, so this is what we have to calculate. So this is equal to 16 by 3 into 1.097 into 10 to the power of plus 7 meter inverse. So when it goes to the numerator, it becomes meter. So lambda is equal to, you are going to get 487 nanometer. Okay, so this lambda is coming in between 450 to 550 nanometer. Okay, clearly this is the wavelength that will be absorbed in the when the whole wavelength range is transmitted. Okay, so that is why this wavelength will have the least intensity. Now you may ask, why did I choose 2 to 4? I could have chosen anything else also. So I tried it. Okay, so when I choose n equal to 2 to n equal to 5, okay, the corresponding wavelength what I am getting is 430, approximately 430 nanometer. Now this 430 nanometer is not coming in our range. Okay, it is less than what range is given. Okay, so the correct answer would be 487 nanometer is the one which will be absorbed the most, therefore it will have least intensity. Okay, thank you so much.